Hi, I'm Mr. Eric Tang. Nice to meet you here again. I would like to talk more about typecasting in this lesson. Now, let's do some revision of last lesson. In last lessons, we have learned how to get user inputs by using the input function. I want to emphasize here again, the input functions will treat all input data as strings. The second thing we've learned is this float statement. It means to treat the data in variable a as a floating point number, but the data type in age will not be changed. The third thing we have learned is this a equal float a statement. The effect of it is to cast or change the data type of a to floating point number permanently. Here are small examples of typecasting. This statement is to temporarily change the value of a to integer. All the decimal points are being removed in this case. This statement is to treat b as floating point number. As you can see, the integer 3 is now printed as 3.0 in this case. This statement is to treat the data as string. This time, a plus b are treated as string concatenation. For this case, you can see C is a string, and we want to treat it as integer, but Python don't know how to convert these strings to integer. Therefore, it can't treat C as integer and responds with an error message. Let's see another example. We know that A is a floating point number at the beginning. The second line here temporarily outputs the integer version of A. But you can see the data type of A is not changed actually, and print 8 here still outputs the floating point number. This line will permanently cast or change the data type of variable A to integer. And here, you can see A is still an integer after the casting. Thanks for watching and see you next time.